So this is the part of your living area where you can set your couches, your sofa set. Here's your kitchen area. You can check out the kitchen area. So you can check out this bedroom is much more Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at World of Joy by Urban Rise Group, which is located in Seraseri, Chennai. And today we are here to do the model flat tour. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project, the World of Joy. And now about the land parcel is just on my right hand side over here. Now let's do the location part, and this project is located exactly backside of TCS in Seraseri, Chennai. And let me show you that basically this road will connect you towards Seraseri main road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Dr. Ambedkar Law College in just 2 minutes. Nearest metro station is just 10 minutes away from the location of the project. So now here's your 2 BHK of 911 square feet super built up area, and let's have a look at your 2 BHK. So here's the main entrance. So once you enter, let me show you the living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where you can set your couches, your sofa set. And exactly in front of that is your dining area. So here's your dining area where you can set your dining table in this way or else in a horizontal way, which has a connecting balcony as well. And here's the connecting balcony. This is your balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. Now once you step in, let me show you the kitchen area. So just over this side. Here's your kitchen area. You can check out the kitchen area. They have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And you can add up your platform in L shape over here. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. So exactly this side is your bedroom number 1. Let's move inside. And you can check out the space over here. Here's your bed space. And here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Exactly in front of the window, they have added up a study table over this side or else the workspace with wardrobe space right next to it. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now, your master bedroom is over this side, but before that, let me show you the common washroom area, which is right next to your bedroom number 1 with the easy access, with the sink place outside the washroom itself. And here's your washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And here comes your master bedroom. So you can check out this bedroom is much more spacious as compared to your bedroom number 1. And here's your bed space over here. Here's your full window. A huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Your wardrobe space is over this side. And this bedroom has attached washroom as well. And this is your master washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now as you all know, we are here at Urban Rise Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, you can just visit our website www.housey.com. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and to follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.